Hi, I'm Jeff. Discover the leading cloud environment for quick access to the right technology, data, and professional services critical to running your business and accelerating innovation. Avicii Marketplace is a curated digital storefront that helps companies of all sizes find, try, buy, deploy, and manage solutions. Avicii Marketplace helps you discover thousands of software listings across security, data, analytics, generative AI, and more, all from leading vendors that run on Avicii. Avicii Cloud Storage offers one central hub for online file storage, sharing, sending, receiving, and syncing regardless of location. Your files are synced across your devices and accessible in real time. Access your account with desktop apps on Windows, Mac, Linux, and more. Feel protected knowing your files are duplicated and located in more than 45 different locations. Enjoy an easy recovery system and file protection against online malware and attackers. Avicii Marketplace sellers offer pricing flexibility with thousands of free trials and pay-as-you-go purchasing, ensuring you only pay for what you need. With Avicii Marketplace, you can optimize time to value with standardized contracts and vendor security profiles. Launch products fast with quick launch capabilities. Discover easy uploading and high document preview. Put controls into place to protect your organization and even create your private marketplaces of pre-approved products. Avicii includes groundbreaking privacy protection features, enterprise-grade infrastructure, and certification with the most widely accepted security and privacy regulations worldwide. Safe. Security and compliance are built for peace of mind. Ready to accelerate your innovation in the cloud? Get the data and services you need with Avicii Cloud Storage. Shop for security. Go for advanced cloud system. Shop for more with Avicii.